We're really excited about the 3 new products that we'll be releasing this year. It's a rare occasion that Centric has so much product innovation available to the market in such a short amount of time. PQ Pro is the latest in a long history of our flagship friction product called PosiQuiet. PQ Pro is the no-comeback solution for the professional installer. Like all of our PosiQuiet line of pads, it's a noise-free formulation, but this time featuring our Mu500 coating, which reduces bed-in for new vehicle installation. It also includes our noise-isolating shim and pad hardware in every box. The Optic Check feature is something new that we've included on all of our Centric and PosiQuiet friction, including our flagship PQ Pro. Optic Check is a white inkjet mark on the side of the friction puck that helps the professional installer or the do-it-yourselfer determine how much wear life remains on the pad. When you have the wheel off on that corner of the vehicle, whether you're doing a tire rotation or starting your brake job, look for the presence of the white inkjet mark on the side of the pad. If that white mark is barely visible, it's time to change pads. This red coating on the pad, which we call Mu500, is a real game changer for the professional installer and the do-it-yourselfer. Mu500 ensures that they don't have to go out for a lengthy bed-in cycle to get confident fade-free braking the very first time they step on the pedal. Centric Parts has always had friction product available for the fleet and commercial customer base, but the needs of the law enforcement and emergency response customer base are even more demanding. Our solution to these demanding conditions is the tactical line of brake pads. Your typical law enforcement agency doesn't go on police chases every day. In fact, they may rarely see a police chase in an entire month. So most of the time, that vehicle is simply on patrol and in all types of weather conditions, from blazing hot to freezing cold. So the need for that patrol officer or emergency responder to get confident, fade-free braking the very first time they step on the pedal is of paramount importance to us. Inside every tactical box, you'll find 4 key product features. First is our Mu500 coating. Mu500 is a chemical coating applied to the top of the pad that eliminates the bed-in cycle. Second, our best noise-isolating shim. Third, Optic Check, a visual indicator, actually a white inkjet mark on the side of the pad that helps the professional installer determine when the pad should be replaced. Fourth, all the required hardware, including wear indicators and brake pad hardware installed on the caliper. Rotors are one of our most important product categories. We cover every niche of the market, from our C-Tech 121 series standard replacement rotor, all the way up to our StopTech slotted, cross-drilled, and drilled and slotted performance rotors. Centric and StopTech are well known for having the widest application range in the industry. From the advent of disc brakes in the 1950s all the way up to the current model year, we have it in our catalog. Like every Centric rotor, we sweat the details on every technical dimension of the part so that it is an exact match for the part that came off the car. Second, the elemental protection, either Geomet or our own unique RS200, a zinc-rich coating that prevents corrosion forming on the hat, the interface between the wheel and the rotor, and inside the cooling vanes, which form the support structure between the 2 braking plates. This is especially important for our customers who own vehicles in areas where they use harsh corrosive chemicals on the road during the winter, which lead to almost immediate corrosion of the brake disc. GCX has great coverage going back 20 years on Japanese, domestic, and European passenger cars and light trucks. The range of Centric and StopTech brake pads starts at our everyday value line, C-Tech, our 102 and 103 semi-matte and ceramic materials. Next, Centric, our premium pad line, 300 and 301 series, also available in ceramic and semi-matte. Our flagship product, well known throughout the industry, Posi Quiet, available in ceramic, semi-matte, extended wear, and fleet formulations. And then the StopTech range of performance pads, from Street Select for the everyday enthusiast, Street, a combination of our performance and yet long wear characteristics for the daily driver who brakes hard, and finally Sport, the best combination of track day performance while still being usable on the street. Centric's winning formula that we deliver on every day is about coverage, service, quality, and delivery. Centric has the widest vehicle coverage of any brake manufacturer in the industry. If we include brake drums, Centric's product offering in disc and drum brakes spans all the way back to the vehicles of the 1920s that first rolled across America's highways. We have an entire department devoted to cataloging and now electronic cataloging, identifying each new model year application, whether it's a carryover or a new part that needs to go completely through the engineering, development, and design process. Service is another part of the foundation of the Centric organization. When I talk to professional installers and warehouse distributors, they need the part to be available the same day, available to get up on the lift and on a customer's car. If they don't have the part in stock, that lift is idle and revenue is waiting in the service bay. Quality. There's quality and there's Centric quality. Centric quality is the foundation of what's inside every box. We sweat the details on the technical attributes and measurement of the part. We make sure that the professional installer, the do-it-yourselfer, the national retailer, all of our customers get that perfect fit when the part goes on the car. Service. What service means to the Centric organization is fulfilling the needs of even our most demanding customers, starting with an outstanding customer service team based in our City of Industry Distribution Center, ready to answer and expedite every order. Our field sales team, arguably the best in the industry, best educated on product, hardest working, touching the professional installer every day of the work week. Technical support. Backed by our award-winning catalogs, our technical team helps installers and do-it-yourselfers find the right part for their job every minute of the day. Lastly, delivery. It all comes together when we ship the part. We target the highest possible fill rate on every order and the quickest order turnaround times. In every year since we've been founded, Centric has been honored with Industry Trade Association recognition, Technical Standard Agency awards, and awards from our customers. We constantly have the most comprehensive catalog in every category we offer products in. And we're always honored for our first-to-market new product introductions. With our customers, we constantly receive recognition for our outstanding delivery performance and our partnership in meeting the diverse needs of our customer base.